Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, power off and unplug the Epson L6190, then wait a minute so internal parts settle. Put on gloves, this prevents stains and protects sensors. Open the front cover, remove ink tanks gently and locate the maintenance box at the bottom right. This is where waste ink collects. Once located, use a small flat tool to release the catch. Do not force it, because gentle pressure prevents clips from breaking. Make sure the area is well lit, so you can see clips and seals clearly. With the box partially exposed, press the release tab and slide it out steadily. Abrupt pulls can spill ink. Inspect the sponge. If saturated, replace the maintenance box per Epson part number. If only soiled, blot excess ink with a lint-free cloth. Use distilled water on a cloth to clean the compartment and surrounding rollers. Distilled prevents mineral residue. Once clean, check seals and channels for dried ink or hair because clogs cause sensor errors. Reseat the box until it clicks, ensuring a firm. Reinstall the maintenance box securely, return ink tanks, close the cover, plug in and power on the printer. Once running, navigate to maintenance and run a nozzle check and head alignment to confirm normal flow. These tests clear minor air pockets and verify sensors. If you see error codes or ink level warnings, make sure the box is fully seated and retry. If errors persist, the sponge is likely saturated and you should replace the maintenance box. If replacement fails, contact support for model-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.